How are you doing? Welcome to a new vlog. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. We just woke up. Yeah, nature is home, but I'm used to sleeping with Mommy Chewa. We just woke up. I've brushed my teeth, but this girl here doesn't want to brush her teeth. Mommy, juicing. Hey, is it because I'm saying it on camera? What are you choosing? For the past 5 minutes, I've been begging her. But anytime I say so, she'll pretend to be sleeping. She will fall on the bed and pretend to be sleeping. Okay, so we want to freshen up. We want to take our bath before we do any other thing. Nature is lazily sleeping. She's snoring. It's almost 8 a.m. The time, as I checked, the time before the introduction was 7:40. Yes. So, what woke her up is that my neighbor was calling us. She has baked this. She made some pastries this morning, so she came to surprise us with a pie, 2 big yummy pies. And this girl has been saying beard. She will tell you, Pano, Mommy, I'm going to choose the baby. Bye. Hey, look at her. You'll be doing in a few days, so your birthday is coming. Next week Friday, Mommy will turn 2. Say 2. Okay, so I already have a recipe on Kenkey, but I forgot to make a thumbnail. So this morning I'm making Kenkey again. But before the Kenkey, I want to set the fire and then put water on it. Yes. Guys, we have gas, but the biggest cylinder, the normal, I don't know the kg, but the normal one, that is about 3 feet tall or 2.5. That one, yesterday my neighbor went to fill his, and it was going for 180 Ghana cedis. So right now, heating water on the stove top is luxurious for me. Anyway, I have a coal pot, I have charcoal, so I'm going to do that, and when I am done, I will put the Kenkey on it and get a thumbnail. Look at somebody is eating, but she'll brush the teeth afterwards. As the gas and the rest. So I am substituting. So one problem in Koforidua is water rationing, and in our former apartment, because we had, look at it, morning, because we had a poly tank, we couldn't feel the impact, but when we came here, when we newly moved in here, it was an issue. Yeah, it was an issue. We were fetching water, but thankfully there is a water tank here, and it's not mounted high, it's low, but we filled it. So that is where we've been fetching water from. So look at them. It was Mami Sewa that went to wake her up. Hey, Chichi was there. What's it there? Chair you. Awula. Chichi was there. What's it there? You see what Chichi was there? Just look at her. Mommy, I'm not there. Why are the power? I mean, how it's in charm. Just look at Mommy's hair. Yeah. And then my cat and Yamasu. So this one, the length is like how when we started this side. The length of this side was like this. So we paid someone to do this. And I a sweet pie. I a sweet pie. I say sweet. Guys, I am not feeling well. As you can tell from my face, I am not well. In one of the vlogs, I told you that I fell down with Mommy at my back. I am now feeling the impact, and guess what? We are getting to the end of June, so July is almost at the corner, and my body is doing this to I limp. Yeah, I limp. I'm not able to walk and walk well. I limp. That is I went here. Oh, my meeting the baby pa mommy tewa. Oh, my mena menyamono. na yedin. Shamanim na kasa, shamanim. Di asam. Anything of your milk will be an art to tell me, son. Oh, good. So, I'm not sure. You are much of tea. Bye-bye. Okay, so we want to end the vlog here. Yes, we started the vlog on Sunday. We want to end it here. Thanks for watching from the beginning up to this time. Please, whenever you say a prayer, don't forget one for me. My hip is dislocated, but I must buga in July, so I'll be back. So pray for me, okay? Buga let me buga, let me see the buga. Go lo lo lo, go lo lo lo, buga. I thought I saw you. Go lo lo lo, go lo lo lo, buga.